Why putting Shungite in my water was the best thing. Hello and welcome to Jada Therapy. Please remember to like and subscribe. Enjoy. Shungite for water purification. Shungite stones have filtering properties, and they are often used to purify water. The filtering properties are as a result of the carbon molecules that is found in Shungite. What I found great was the fact that a Shungite stone is able to absorb 95% of pollutants such as lead, bacteria, nitrates, along with different types of organic compounds and the harmful chemicals found in our drinking water today. And to add to that, the water that is purified with Shungite has been reported to contain therapeutic properties, nutrient and minerals. This makes the water not just purified but can actually adjust and strengthen your DNA, and it gets better. It can also activate cellular regeneration, improve circulation of the blood as well as the functioning of your digestive system. I have not finished yet. I also found out that water purified with Shungite is able to help with diabetes, colds, flus, allergies and other health conditions. For these reasons, it is always best to check the carbon content of the Shungite that you are going to buy. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and for more information check out the links in the description below.